How to redeem code on Microsoft Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem a code in your Microsoft Store. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step here is open up your Microsoft Store. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've opened up your Microsoft Store, head over to the top right corner where you will see your profile icon or with just your initials. So tap on it. After you tap on your profile icon, there you will see an option that says redeem code or gift cards. So tap on it. And after you tap on redeem codes or gift card, this pop-up will just open up and where you will be able to type the 25-character code, and after you type that in, you will be able to redeem your code or your gift card. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.